Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of or clean the staining on your cast iron. See that? Yeah, you'll find that when you cook using your cast iron, doesn't matter which brand it is, they all do this. It's just what happens when you're cooking. And some of us just don't want to see that there. And I'll tell you that the trick to maintaining your pot so that they always look brand new and in pristine condition is actually to clean it straight away. There are no miracle solutions or cleaners that will remove that if you leave it for too long. People just don't understand it. When things stain, they stain. So prevention is always better than cure. Now to get rid of that, this is what I got from the Creuset when I bought that. It's made in France and it's a cleaner and protector. So let's add some. Put some on here just like that. I use this nylon brush. This is also from the Creuset. When I buy things and I spend a lot of money, I like to use whatever the manufacturer recommends. After all, they designed it, so I'm thinking that they would know better on how to take care of their own products. So here's what you do. Right? Just really gentle circular motions. Now, I cook a lot of curries and stews and things like that. So with curries, you get turmeric, and turmeric stains a saffron, right? That stuff, oh my God, you get that on anything and it will stain. So you'll want to attend to your pot immediately. Okay, well, after dinner, after you have your coffee and some chocolates, then wash it. Don't let it sit on it for too long, because then you'll find the stain just gets worse. And you definitely do not want to use baking soda, or some people use bleach. Some people absolutely scratch the crap out of the pot. And it's really that simple. As you can see, my pot is clean. That's because I clean it straight away every time I use my pot. And I don't use an induction stove. So with the gas, I use gas. And usually you will have lots of black marks around the bottom of the pot. And I will say to you, you will need, and you should clean that ASAP. You leave it, then your pot's just gonna change color every single time you cook. So let's see. Now this is something that I would say that you should do every day, or every time you cook, sorry. This is something that you should be doing after you use your pot. It doesn't take long. But when you leave something too long, it just becomes a bit of a, it becomes a mission to have to clean it. So prevention is always better than cure, I say. Okay, let's have a look now. Oh, see, it's gone. Gone. Your pot would just look as good as new. Now I don't have any, didn't have any black marks to show you, but as you can see, all right. So that's what you do. Let me show you again. This is the cleaner and protector that I actually got from the Creuset, and I use the nylon brush as well, which is everything that you do is very gentle. Look, you've spent so much money on such a beautiful pot. I think that you have to take care of it.